Hi everyone, it's Jenna from Farmer John's Greenhouse, and today I'm so excited because I have a sea of herbs behind me, and we're going to be talking about how to use your herbs, what kind of herbs that we have in store, and even some recipes to cook with your favorite herbs. Fresh herbs are great for adding vibrancy in your dishes, even fresh drinks. They add that color and depth of flavor, as Gordon Ramsay likes to say. Let's start strong with my favorite, which is basil. Right now I have some holy basil and some Thai basil with me. As you can see, we have some really vibrant leaves, which is what you're trying to look for when you're looking to pick your fresh herbs. You don't want to see any blemishes in your herbs when you're ready to cut. You want to grab those really vibrant leaves that have some great color on them. So since I'm Italian, obviously I'm going to recommend using basil in everything that you cook, but it's great for some things like pasta dishes, maybe even some pesto over some fresh mozzarella. Whatever you use basil for, remember it is a soft herb. So that means that it can't take on some of the heavy cooking that other herbs can take on. So you want to add in basil towards the end of your dish or even eat it while it's still fresh. So next I decided to grab another soft herb, which is mint. So right here I have some chocolate mint, some spearmint. We also have some peppermint behind me. But mint is great for those with a sweet tooth, so I like to use it in mojitos or mint chocolate chip ice cream, things like that. One thing that I love about herbs is if you're not sure exactly what they're going to taste like, you can just give them a little smell and you can smell that vibrant flavor that will eventually come out in your dish. Our next herb that I was very excited to add into this video is Stevia. Now you might recognize it as a sugar substitute, but it's also great in things like fruit salads or even some homemade tea, and you can actually take these stevia leaves. As you can tell, they're these very vibrant big green leaves, and you can boil them down into your own liquid sweetener for some natural sweetener into any of your drinks or coffee, or again if you want to use it into some tea. So next up we have our hard herbs. For example, we have oregano. Now hard herbs are able to handle a little bit more heat if you want to cook them with your dishes. Right here I have Italian oregano and Greek oregano. Oregano is great in any Italian dish, stuff like pizza and pasta, and it's also great with lamb. Next up we have rosemary, which you might recognize from its really distinct smell. Now rosemary is great in roasted vegetable dishes and in meat dishes, and it can also be used as a little garnish on any of your favorite fruit sorbets. Now we have so many herbs, so I'm just going to be talking about one more in this video, which is thyme, which is one of my family's favorites as well. Now thyme is great for marinades, things like fish, poultry, pork, and it's great in sauces and soups. What I love about all these herbs is they come with a tag which says the name of the herb, and on the back of these tags it says bloom time, when to water, the height, sun exposure, hardiness zones, and also what they can be used for. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down below what herb you're going to use and what recipe you're going to try out. We also added a link down in our description to our blog. Now our blog is also going to have some great recipes to use with herbs. So if you want a little bit more in depth of those recipes, check out our blog. Make sure to like and subscribe. You can also find us on Instagram and Facebook. It was so nice to talk to you guys today, and I'll see you soon. Bye.